Here's to the old time and the best of new ones. Here to a song of glee, finding a way from illusion to realities. Hoping to wake up from this madness, hoping to see you smile, pushing away to the limit of yours and mine. I'm growing up, getting down, putting my both feet on the ground. With all my friends behind me, how can I go wrong this time? I'm growing up, getting down, think of reality came around. Not just waiting for the daybreak, expecting the sun to shine. It doesn't shine all the time. Just what it is in me. Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love, why you never let me go. And though you hear me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation find its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding. I'll just forget. You won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. Ooh, ooh. Di ko alam kung saan nagsimula ang dati naman sa'kin balewala. Sa sandaling hindi ka masilayan, bigla na lamang natutulala. Tutulala. Teka lang, unti-unti na yatang nahihibang. Tama ba tong aking nararamdaman? Teka lang, paano nakaganto? Ikot ng aking mundo, puso na nga ba'y nahuhulog sa'yo? Sa tuwing daraan ka sa'king harapan, nauutal at kinakabahan. Sa sandaling hindi ka masilayan, bigla na lamang natutulala. Tutulala. Teka lang, unti-unti na yatang nahihibang. Tama ba tong aking nararamdaman? Teka lang, paano nakaganto? Ikot ng aking mundo, puso na nga ba'y nahuhulog sa'yo? Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, maaari bang mabisita ka? Imahe mo'y unti-unting nabubura. Ayoko na tuluyang malimutan ka. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, dadalan ng paboritong bulaklak, sapagkat ngiti mo ay limot ko na. Sana ay muli pang masilayan ka. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, gusto sanang marinig ang boses mo. Sabay natin awitin ang paborito mo. Di magsasawa na ulit-ulitin to. Kung ang langit ay malapit